Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure a credit card with Wells Fargo, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To secure a credit card with Wells Fargo, begin by visiting their official website. Look for the credit cards section on the home page. Review the different credit card options available. Select a card that best suits your financial needs. Click on the card of your choice to access more details. Once on the card details page, find the Apply Now button. Click on Apply Now to start the application process. You will be prompted to log in to your Wells Fargo account or create a new one. If you are creating a new account, provide the required personal information. This typically includes your name, social security number, date of birth, and contact details. After entering your information, follow the prompts to set up your account. Once logged in, fill out the credit card application form. You will need to provide additional financial information, such as your income and employment details. Review the application for accuracy before submitting. After submission, Wells Fargo will process your application. You will receive a notification regarding your approval status. If approved, you will receive your card in the mail within a few business days. Once you receive your card, activate it through the website or mobile app. Finally, remember to review your credit card terms and conditions for any specific details. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.